Okay students, today we discuss the management of memory. Means memory management. Memory. What is memory? Memory is a storage device which store data in future operation. Okay? Memory is a storage device. But there are three types of memory. First, primary memory. Second, secondary memory, and cache memory. Okay? Primary memory. What is primary memory? Primary memory is the initial memory, means first memory. When computer switch on, it activated all the configuration of computer. And secondary memory means it is called auxiliary, external or backup memory. Means it is the permanent memory. Okay? Here the data are permanently stored. And cache memory. Cache memory, it is very important, means it increases the processing power and it is present by processor and main memory. Okay? Now we go to primary memory. What is primary memory? Then types of primary memory. RAM and ROM. What is RAM? RAM means random access memory, and it is called volatile or temporary memory and also called read and write memory. Okay? Random access memory means here we can use it randomly, so it is called random access memory. Volatile memory means here the data are deleted when computer switch off. Okay? Then it is called volatile memory or temporary memory. Then it is also called read and write memory. Read and write memory means we can use before save, we can use in this memory. So it is called read and write memory. A user can access any authenticate. So it is called read and write memory. Okay? And also called random access memory and also called volatile memory and temporary memory. Then ROM. What is ROM? ROM means read only memory. It is a set of program that is called BIOS. BIOS. BIOS means basic input output system. It is called BIOS. BIOS is a set of program. When computer manufacturing, it loaded by the system programmer. Okay? Then RAM. Then RAM. RAM are divided two types, DRAM and SRAM. DRAM means dynamic RAM. What is dynamic RAM and what is static RAM? Now we discuss about this. DRAM. DRAM means it consists of a transistor and a capacitor. Transistor is a mechanical on-off light. Okay. Then capacitor holds the bit of information. If the transistor has no charge, the capacitor cannot be held. So the capacitor depend upon the transistor switching action. Okay. Then so when computer switch off, the data are erased. Okay. Then SRAM. SRAM means static RAM. SRAM consists of a transistor, capacitor and a special regenerator circuit. Regenerator circuit means which get back the refresh data. Which get back the refresh data means which data we can delete it, we can undo the deleted data. Okay. Then that is called SRAM. Then ROM. ROM means read-only memory. It is three types. PROM means program read-only memory. EPROM, erasable program read-only memory, and EEPROM, electrically erasable program read-only memory. Now we discuss the PROM, EPROM and EEPROM. PROM means program read-only memory. This program used only for read. We cannot be write. Okay. This is called PROM. And EPROM means erasable program read-only memory. We can erase and reprogram once again. And EEPROM means By the electrical signal, we can erasable and reprogram once again. This is called ROM. Then secondary memory. Secondary memory means it is two types. First DSD and SSD. We can discuss previous time. The secondary memory is the permanent memory and fixed memory. Here the data are permanently stored. Okay. Then it is two types. The first DSD, direct access storage device, and SASD, sequential access storage device. SD means storage device. DASD, direct access. SA means sequential access. Okay. DASD. Here the direct access storage device, here the data store means here the storage data can access directly. Example, suppose we can access 100th record, then we should go to the directly over the position. Okay, means that is called DSD. And SASD means sequential access storage device. Suppose here the data means storage data can access sequentially. Can access sequentially means suppose we can access 100th record, then we should go to previous 99 record. Okay. Then DSD. DSD are divided two types, the magnetic disk and optical disk. Magnetic disk means here the data stored in magnetizable format. Here the data stored in magnetizable format. Okay, and this is two types, hard disk and floppy disk. Hard disk means it is called hard disk because here it made of a iron jacket, so it is called hard disk. And floppy disk means here the data not secure, means it cover a plastic jacket, so it is called floppy disk, but it is more reliable. And optical disk means it made up looking at optical fiber glasses, so it is called optical disk and it is more reliable. Okay, this is two types, CD means compact disk and DVD. Okay, then SSD, sequential access storage device, that is called magnetic tape. In previous time it used the magnetic tape, but modern society it is not. Now the modern society it is developed and we can use the CD and DVD.